It's been a while, no, ma'am? Sobrang tagal na din po yung application, almost a year na.
Yes po, ma'am.
Opo, ma'am. Kahapon, ma'am, lumabas na po yung results ng inyong application. Okay? So, wag po kayo mabibigla, ma'am, kasi approve na yung visa.
Tama ko yung partner niya, sorry. Kasi kinakabahan na siya, sabi niya, parang hindi ako. Naiyak ako.
And so, congratulations! In behalf of Gateway Visa Solution, we're rejoicing with you, Ma'am Anna. We're together with your partner.
If you or someone you know wants to migrate to the best places in the world like Canada and Australia, please contact us.